Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on PC with a keyboard. First, launch the game and head straight to the settings. You will want to find the game settings or controller settings section. Make sure your input is correctly set to keyboard there. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience, allowing you to see the default controls before diving into a match. It's a simple first step to get you ready for the pitch. Mastering the core controls is key to enjoying eFootball with a keyboard. You will typically use the arrow keys or WASD for moving your players around the pitch. For passing, Z usually performs a short pass, while X delivers a through pass. When it is time to score, C is your shoot button, and A handles lob passes or crosses. On defense, Q applies pressure, and W executes a sliding tackle, giving you full control. Personalizing your keyboard layout can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. From the main menu, go back into controller settings and select the keyboard option. Here, you will see a list of all actions and their assigned keys. Simply click on an action you wish to change, then press the new key you prefer. Remember to save your changes before leaving the settings. This allows you to create a setup that feels most natural and comfortable for you. To truly excel with a keyboard, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in training mode to refine your dribbling and master various skill moves. Focus on quick, 1-2 passing combinations to dismantle tough defenses. On the defensive side, anticipating your opponent's next move will help you position your players more effectively. Finally, do not hesitate to experiment with your customized keybinds. Finding the perfect setup can make a significant difference in your overall performance on the virtual pitch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.